हाय एवरीवन, नमस्कार। बहुत बहुत स्वागत है आपका एलीट मिस राजस्थान के इस लाइव सेशन में। एज यू ऑल नो, हम एलीट मिस राजस्थान पे हर रोज शाम 5 बजे एक लाइव सेशन करते हैं। हेलो प्राउडेस्ट, हेलो किया है मुझे। हम आपके बहुत सारे सवाल भी लेते हैं और हर दिन आपको एक नई सेलिब्रिटी से मिलवाते हैं। हमारी आज की सेलिब्रिटी के बारे में हम बात करें जो कि बहुत स्पेशल हैं, उससे पहले कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट बातें बताना चाहूंगा आपको एलीट मिस राजस्थान के संदर्भ में। एलीट मिस राजस्थान सीजन 7 2020 के रजिस्ट्रेशंस हम 5 मई से ओपन करने वाले हैं। जी हाँ, 5 मई एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट डेट होगी जिस दिन हम एलीट मिस राजस्थान के रजिस्ट्रेशंस को हम ओपन करने वाले हैं। उस दिन के बाद से आप सभी लोग जो एलीट मिस राजस्थान सीजन 7 का हिस्सा बनना चाहते हैं, आप सब लोग अपने आप को रजिस्टर कर पाएंगे। रजिस्टर कैसे करेंगे, क्या होगा, वो आपको आने वाले एपिसोड में बताएंगे। जैसा कि हर साल हम करते हैं, इंस्टाग्राम के थ्रू, वेबसाइट के थ्रू, व्हाट्सएप के थ्रू, आप किसी भी तरह से रजिस्टर कर पाएंगे। बहुत कम चीजें हमें चाहिए होती है। विल जस्ट रिक्वायर वन ऑफ ए पिक्चर, योर नेम, योर फोन नंबर, योर हाइट एंड योर सिटी। इतना कुछ हमें चाहिए होगा। एलीट मिस राजस्थान के लिए आप 17 प्लस होने चाहिए। 27 तक आप दे सकते हैं एलीट मिस राजस्थान टिल द एज ऑफ 27। 27 इसकी एज की लिमिट है। प्लस आपके पास इंडियन पासपोर्ट होना चाहिए, यानी कि आप इंडियन होने चाहिए। अनमैरिड ऑब्वियसली होना चाहिए क्योंकि ये एलीट मिस राजस्थान है। चलिए, अब आज की जो हमारी सेलिब्रिटी गेस्ट हैं उनके बारे में जल्दी से बता देते हैं आपको। उनका नाम है सुजैन बर्नेट। सुजैन बर्नेट एक जर्मन बॉर्न इंडियन एक्ट्रेस हैं जिन्होंने इंडियन रीजनल फिल्म्स में और हिंदी फिल्म्स में काम किया है। उनकी जो मेजर फिल्म्स हैं वो है द रेनबो, हनीमून ट्रेवल्स प्राइवेट लिमिटेड और द एक्सीडेंटल प्राइम मिनिस्टर में शी हैज प्लेड द रोल ऑफ सोनिया गांधी एंड शी हैज ऑल्सो वर्कड इन मैनी अदर रीजनल फिल्म्स। शी वॉज ऑल्सो पार्ट ऑफ द सीरियल्स लाइक 7 रेस कोर्स एंड जिंदगी कसौटी की। एंड एक वेब सीरीज भी उन्होंने बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट वेब सीरीज उन्होंने करी है जिसका नाम है स्टेज ऑफ सीज 2611 और Z5 पे वो प्रसारित हुई थी। सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट बात इस टैलेंटेड एक्ट्रेस के बारे में ये है कि शी हैज अ कमांड ऑफ 7 और 8 लैंग्वेजेस। जी हाँ, उनको 7 से 8 भाषाएं आती हैं जिसमें फ्रेंच, इटालियन, इंग्लिश, जर्मन, स्पेनिश, मराठी इमेजिन कीजिए, जर्मन बॉर्न और मराठी आती है उनको, बंगाली और हिंदी उन्होंने आती है। शी इज अ बेली डांसर एंड लवानी डांसर। लवानी इज अ फॉर्म ऑफ मराठी डांस, उसमें भी उनको महारत हासिल है। शी हैज बीन अ सक्सेसफुल मॉडल एंड हैज ऑल्सो वर्कड विथ आमिर खान इन एन TVC। शी इज हैप्पीली मैरिड टू अखिल मिश्रा जी। अखिल मिश्रा जी बहुत टैलेंटेड एक्टर हैं हमारे इंडिया के। और अगर 3 इडियट आपने देखी हो तो दुबे जी जो लाइब्रेरियन थे उनका रोल उन्होंने प्ले किया था। और अखिल मिश्रा जी हमारे इस कंट्री के बहुत रिस्पेक्टेड एक्टर्स में से एक हैं। चलिए, अब समय आ गया है कि हम हमारी आज की गेस्ट सुजैन बर्नेट को इनवाइट कर लें और मैं जल्दी से जाके उनको रिक्वेस्ट भेज देता हूं। सुजैन बर्नेट को हम अब रिक्वेस्ट भेजने वाले हैं एंड I think she's not online yet. अभी तक सुजैन बर्नेट, I think she'll take 2 more minutes to come. चलिए, जब तक सुजैन बर्नेट जी आती हैं ऑनलाइन, हम आपसे थोड़ी सी एलीट मिस राजस्थान की बात कर लेते हैं। प्लस आपके अगर कोई सवाल हो मेरे लिए तो आप जरूर मुझसे पूछ सकते हैं इस लाइव सेशन पे। एलीट मिस राजस्थान सीजन 7 ये होने वाला है। इससे पहले हमने 6 सीजन्स किए हैं और हमारे जो विनर्स हैं और जो नॉन विनर्स भी हैं वो मॉडलिंग इंडस्ट्री में बहुत अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं। बहुत बड़ा मुकाम उन्होंने राजस्थान की इंडस्ट्री में और ऑल ओवर इंडिया की इंडस्ट्री में, फैशन इंडस्ट्री में उन्होंने हासिल कर रखा है। और बहुत सारे ऐसे नाम हैं जिनका मैं इंटरव्यू ऑलरेडी कर चुका हूँ, जिनका मैं ऑलरेडी सब कुछ कर चुका हूँ इंटरव्यू। और आने वाले दिनों में मैं बहुत सारे इंटरव्यूज करता रहूँगा। एक बार हम फिर से चेक कर लेते हैं कि सुजैन अगर इस वक्त हमारे साथ लाइव आई हैं या नहीं आई हैं। आई थिंक सुजैन अभी तक लाइव नहीं आ पाई हैं हमारे इस सेशन में। चलिए हम सुजैन को लें। बहुत अच्छा है आपका। किसी मनोज भाटी जी ने लिखा है, सर ड्रेसअप बहुत अच्छा है आपका। थैंक यू मनोज। आपके अगर कोई सवाल मेरे लिए हो तो आप मुझसे पूछ सकते हैं। एनी सी ए कपिल ने लिखा है, एनी वांट टू डू फोटोशूट किसी को करना हो तो सी ए कपिल से कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं। सर एलीट ऑडिशंस आर गोइंग टू हेल्ड इन विच सिटीज? एलीट के ऑडिशंस अभी तक जो सिटीज शेड्यूल्ड हैं वो हैं जयपुर। ऑब्वियसली जयपुर में हम 2 बार ऑडिशन करते हैं, ताकि अगर कोई एक बार रह जाए तो वो दूसरी बार आके ऑडिशन दे पाए। एक हम जोधपुर में ऑडिशंस करते हैं हमेशा, और एक हम उदयपुर में ऑडिशंस करते हैं। सौरभ गुजराती हेलो भैया बोल रहे हैं। हाय सौरभ, आई होप आप जोधपुर एक नया एपिसेंटर बन गया है कोविड-19 का। आप होप आप सेफ हों और आपकी फैमिली भी बहुत सेफ हो। हम एक बार फिर से चेक कर लेते हैं कि सुजैन क्या इस वक्त ऑनलाइन आ पाई हैं या नहीं हैं अभी तक। आई थिंक मुंबई से हैं सुजैन, मुंबई में हैं। और मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा यशील जी से कि एक बार वो सुजैन को मेथड बता दें कि किस तरह से वो ऑनलाइन आके हमें रिक्वेस्ट भेजेंगी, या वो ऑनलाइन आ जाए हम खुद रिक्वेस्ट भेज देंगे उनको। इससे पहले कि सुजैन आए, आप हमसे और भी सवाल पूछ सकते हैं। विकी ऑफिशियल पूछ रहे हैं, हेलो बोल रहे हैं वो। प्राउडेस्ट बोल रहे हैं, शोज फॉर बॉयज। जैसे कि मैंने पहले ही बताया कि हमने अभी तक कोई बॉयज़ का ब्यूटी पेजेंट नहीं किया है। हाँ, अलबत्ता हम बॉयज़ के साथ भी आर वर्किंग विथ ऑल आर जयपुर मॉडल्स और राजस्थान के मॉडल्स। हम जब जोधपुर गए थे तो हमने जोधपुर के जो मेल मॉडल्स हैं उनके साथ काम किया था। जब हम कोटा गए थे तो हमने कोटा के मेल मॉडल के साथ हमने काम किया था। जब हम जयपुर को टूर करते हैं तो वी यूजुअली टेक जयपुर मॉडल्स ऑल्सो। जोधपुर में कब होगा, डेट्स अभी नहीं आई हैं विकी। आपके लिए आपको उसके लिए देखना पड़ेगा हमारा ये प्रोग्राम। कास्टिंग आदिल खान, हाउ आर यू भैया? आई एम गुड आदिल, व्हाट अबाउट यू? आकांक्षा सुथार स्माइली बना रही हैं। डेजी चौधरी ने अभी ज्वाइन किया है। डेजी हमारी एलीट मिस राजस्थान 2019 की वन ऑफ द फाइनलिस्ट हैं और अभी बहुत अच्छा काम वो कर रही हैं एज ए मॉडल। मैं एक बार फिर से चेक कर लेता हूं कि सुजैन क्या अब हमारे साथ अवेलेबल हैं टू चैट। आई थिंक उनके कनेक्शन में कुछ प्रॉब्लम है, बिकॉज मेरी बात उनसे अभी हुई थी फ़ोन पे 5 मिनट पहले, तब शी टोल्ड मी दैट शी इज़ रेडी टू कम लाइव। मोना गौतम कह रही हैं, हाय गौरव गौर। हाय मोना गौतम, कैसी हैं आप? और किसी का कोई सवाल अगर हो एलीट मिस राजस्थान से जुड़ा हुआ, या मेरे लिए कोई भी सवाल हो, तो मीनवाइल हम ये सवाल ले सकते हैं जब तक सुजैन बर्नेट। गौरव यशील सर बोल रहे हैं, शी इज ऑनलाइन बट कैन नॉट सी अस। यशील जी, प्लीज आस्क हर टू कम ऑनलाइन एंड ज्वाइन अ सेशन ऑफ एलीट मिस राजस्थान। आई थिंक शी इज ऑनलाइन ऑन माई पेज। ask her to join Elite Miss Rajasthan session so that we can invite her. Sakshi Parikh sir, is anything new included in Elite Miss Rajasthan? They said no Sakshi, it is all jo last year tha same. It is, the rules are same as the last year. Now I think she is online now. Yashil ji बोल रहे हैं कि she is online now. सुजैन बर्नेट है और किसी भी क्षण सुजैन हमारे साथ यहाँ पे लाइव होंगी। हाय सुजैन।
Hi, I've been sitting and looking at Miss Elite and I only got your live chat from yesterday. I don't know what happened.
No problem. Great to see you, Suzaine.
Hi.
Everybody is waiting for you, Suzaine. Great to see you. Suzaine, let's start our chit-chat session.
Yeah.
Suzaine, please tell us in brief about you. Where were you born?
Okay. I'm German. मैं जर्मनी से हूँ। हिंदी में बात करना है या अंग्रेजी में बात करना है, जो भी आपकी मर्जी है।
क्या बात है,
मिक्स भी होता है। तो नमस्कार सब लोगों के लिए। मेरा नाम सुजान बैनर, मैं जर्मनी से हूँ और मैं दुबई के माध्यम से हिंदुस्तान में पहुंच गई 2005 में। एक ऑफर आए एक टीवी शो के लिए, अस्तित्व एक प्रेम कहानी। उसी समय सुपरहिट हो गई एंड आई वाज कैथरीन इन दैट। तो इस शो की वजह से मैं यहाँ फंस गई।
सुजैन, आप जर्मनी में कहाँ से हैं?
हाँ, मैं नॉर्थ में पैदा हुई, एक छोटा सा गांव है डेटमोल्ड, लेकिन पालन पोषण साउथ में हुई क्योंकि मेरा पापा कस्टम्स ऑफिसर है, बहुत शिफ्टिंग हुई इधर उधर, तो साउथ स्विस बॉर्डर में पैदा हुई, पालन पोषण किया। So he
Right.
was
And
there at the border.
how were you as a daughter, as a student?
Huh?
आप as a daughter, as a student कैसी थी आपके early days में?
I was very bad in math.
And as a daughter?
Oh, I am dad's favorite, darling. I'm a daddy's girl and a mom's daughter.
And so then, at what age did you realize that you have to make a career as a model?
My parents said actually bachpan se hui. So I was 4 years old and I was doing puppet theater for them. And they were saying, all my life I was saying actress banna chahti hu. So, and they were supporting me. So they were doing a lot for it.
Right,
Ballet
right.
classes
And how much effort did you put in to prepare as a model?
a lot of effort. I was modeling in Taiwan. I was the only foreign model in a Chinese agency. And it was very tough because I couldn't speak that much Chinese, just a couple of words, and they couldn't speak English. So I was there just doing my jobs and getting these little chits with the Chinese writing for the address, trying to find my way somehow. And when we were doing fashion shows, I had to like make little drawings and pin it on my outfit because I didn't understand. I couldn't remember the instructions because for the other models, they were saying, yeah. And I was like, what is going on? So I had to be double prepared because समझ में नहीं आई. I couldn't understand. And जो भी makeup courses में थी, वहाँ की makeup की जिम्मेदारी मॉडल के ऊपर है. वहाँ सिर्फ बाल का स्टाइलिस्ट है, लेकिन मेकअप सब खुद करते हैं. एंड उनका शक्ल तो इतना अलग है, तो मेरे लिए अलग स्टाइल बनना चाहते थे. दे हैड टू मेक अ डिफरेंट लुक फॉर माय आईज, क्योंकि उसी आईज में बिल्कुल ठीक लगी एंड आई वाज लुकिंग लाइक उल्लू. So it was not a good idea. So they had to change for me. It was a very tough time, but it was also a very interesting time. Yeah. Now
So
looking
then-
back, I was, yeah.
So then we'll also take some of the questions also.
Yes.
Ankur Sihag is saying that when did you learn Hindi?
यहाँ पहुंचने के बाद 2005 में शुरू की. आई टुक 3 महीने में एक टीचर के साथ स्टडी किया, और उसके बाद समय फुर्सत नहीं मिला उनसे मिलने के लिए, स्टडी करने के लिए, क्योंकि बालाजी का सौते केम. इनका सौते की वजह से आई डिडंट हैव टाइम बिकॉज दैट इज लाइक राउंड द क्लॉक शूटिंग, so you don't get the time to study. And then it just became learning on the job.
Mona Gautam is saying she's so beautiful.
Oh, thanks.
Pratibha Chaudhary is saying was waiting you to come live. Hi Suzanne, how your journey started with Akhil sir? Somebody's asking.
Okay, there is a beautiful article on Teletalkie, but the short version is that Varun Badola sent me to an audition when I was new here in 2005, and Ake was not at the same time but at the same audition, and he was looking for a theater artist for a play. So somebody heard him, somebody saw me, and they made the connection. So we met through a play. So he was my director. Then I became the co-director because I gave the input on music, costume, couple of ideas. And it became a teamwork, and it became more friendship, and from friendship became love.
And
It's a very nice process.
in which year did you got married to her?
2009.
2009. Oh, it's been 11 years now.
कैसे हुई? I don't know. It feels like yesterday.
आज अभी आप you are an established actress now, Suzanne. How did you got your first break in Bollywood?
and how difficult was it to reach the success which you have reached now?
I think if you consider Bollywood anything from India, then it was my TV show, this Astitva Ek Prem Kahani, because that was my first venture into Indian television and how they are working here. And then 2006, Honeymoon Travels came. That was my first movie. Then after Honeymoon Travels came, I did Aisa Desh Hai Mera. Lake Thandon ji wrote that script. Usi samay, and he wanted me in the show. I mean, the producer was happy. एक फिरंग मिला, वो actress है, वो हल्का सा हिंदी भी बात कर सकते हो, तो अच्छी बात है. लेकिन Lake Thandon was like, you are my Linda. And I will never forget that. It was such a pleasure to work with him. So that was a Z. I did a lot of Z shows. So that was my second Z show. And then Balaji came. And then Balaji I was doing for 2 years. Kasauti as Doris Bajaj. With brown hair. I don't know why I colored my hair. Ake was saying, please become blonde. And I was like, nah.
And how did Accidental Prime Minister happen?
Somebody tagged me in a poster of Anupam Kher on Twitter because I played Sonia Gandhi in a TV show called Pradhan Mantri.
Okay.
And so I was in that show. Ake was in that show as Lal Bahadur Shastri.
Right.
And I was in the same show as Sonia Gandhi. And somebody knew that, tagged me on Twitter. And on the poster, you can see who was casting for that movie. And they were only announcing it in 2018 summer. Lagbhag August, yes, something like that it was. So I told my management, write to these guys. So they wrote, I wrote, everybody bombarded. And then I had to go for family emergency to Germany. And then they contacted me and said, we want to audition you. And then the audition happened in Germany. Akid recorded my audition and they liked the audition and they basically said yes over the phone. But it was nerve-wracking because they came, then 2 weeks, nothing. Then they come again and say, okay, we like you. Can you send this other audition? Okay, another 2 weeks, another 2 weeks. So it was like, yes, no, yes, is it happening? Is it not happening? Yeah, it was a very long process. And I was supposed to fly back before Christmas. And then there were delays and delays and delays. We were supposed to finish the shooting in May 2019 and the release was supposed to be in that year. So May, yeah, it all got later than anybody expected.
So then you are
I self-auditioned basically.
I'm sorry. So then you are a multi-talented personality, as we all know. You are an actor, dancer, model, and you speak so many languages. What advice do you want to give our aspiring models who want to prepare themselves for Elite Miss Rajasthan?
I would say, especially nowadays, it's good to be well-read, to know what's going on. It's not only how you look. I think nowadays a Miss is representing so much more. It is not like what it used to be. It's only beauty and then, okay, forget the rest. I think you need to know, especially when you see the Miss World things, they ask you tough questions.
Sure.
Yeah. And then if you don't have an answer, you become everybody might laugh about you because,
sure.
Hey, anyways, as a well-rounded human being, have an interest in the daily news or in a little bit in history, a little bit of art, not crazily, but it's life, you want to be interested in it. So besides grooming and what other skills you can pick up, I think have a background of a personality. Work on you as a human being as well on every level.
So then, did you undergo any professional training for acting? And
yes.
Do you think is it important?
I tremendously benefited from it. I had 3 years with a private teacher in Berlin in Germany. So she taught me this is what you do for theater, this is what you do for TV, this is what you do for movies. क्योंकि मुझे लगता है खूब सारे लोगों के पास ये जानकारी नहीं है, सब अलग अलग एक्टिंग है, अलग अलग तरीका.
Very important point.
क्योंकि नाटक लाउड है और वॉइस ट्रेवल कमी है.
True.
तो आवाज यही है, लेकिन ये कैमरा के सामने करना है तो सब ये इतनी loud acting मत कीजिए.
True.
So these kinds of things, I benefited from it, but it's not a necessity, but it helps. It helped me here because I had to learn the language on the spot. I had to get used to the heat, costumes, different style of acting. So without my training, I think I would have been overwhelmed. It helped me. So if you can get a proper training, I would definitely recommend it. Even if it's just a course, if you just do a course for like a month or something like this.
So then,
You were actually thinking of venturing.
You have been a showstopper at Jaipur Couture Show, and you worked
Yes.
as a showstopper for #Blunt Salon, and you graced the ramp for a very noble cause, acid attack survivors. How was your experience?
Oh, meeting Sonia was amazing. I because I walked with her, we chatted more and we are in touch over Instagram. I don't know if the other girl is there, but she is like bindas. I must say, this is a personality that no matter what you throw at her in life, she will just live on. You can't even call her, you can't call her a victim, you can't call her a survivor. She is just her. She is like a personality in her own, because if you see her Instagram, she uploads TikToks, she's making this, she's doing that. It's very, it was great. It was great. And to also see the makeup done by #Blunt, yeah, on the models, how real that looked in comparison to the real acid attack person. That was amazing. You didn't see that much of a difference. Scary that you can do that so well.
Exactly. And you are a very good friend of one of the directors of Jaipur Couture Show, Mr. Yashil Pandel, and his wife and the owner of #Blunt Salon, Mrs. Manisha Pandel. Tell us about your experience about #Blunt Salon. Plus, do you think our Rajasthan model have potential in them?
From what I saw at the Jaipur
Yes.
Couture Show,
Yes.
yes, definitely. Yes, definitely. You saw me. I was constantly on my live Insta chat and sharing it with the world because I was excited. I've seen fashion shows here where people are looking okay on the ramp, but you guys really were very professional, yeah. From every walk was catered to the designer, to a different theme, to a different idea. You know, it was not just up, down. It was everything had a certain, maza, because you chose different topics for it. So that was lovely. The outfits were lovely. The models were lovely in it. And then #Blunt, I think it's a great partner, even though Yashil was doing it for the first time. And I kept on telling him, yes, this is normal. Breathe, you can do it. And he did it. His team did it. They were just like, yeah, we can do this. And then when you actually are in a fashion show and you see the hangama backstage, I think the first time is overwhelming. It's just like, kya ho raha hai? Either udhar, it's like ants running. And then the moment the music and the cue and the person is telling you go, then it's like calm
Everybody
and
is
poised.
serious,
You
yeah.
don't know what hectic is going on behind. Because the moment the model comes off the catwalk, they're just throwing their clothes and running and taking the next clothes and running again on the stage. So I was very, very excited when Yashil called me to be the showstopper. And this was my first time showstopper in India. And I felt like, oh, what better way to do it than in my beloved Jaipur, where I keep on being just by chance and by luck and by kismet, I guess. So it's a lovely place to be. And then with people that I know, and then meeting you and meeting the team, it was very well organized. I had a lot of fun.
Thank you. There's one question on net. Ma'am, मैं पहली बार एलीट में राजस्थान का ऑडिशन दूंगी. Please suggest me a good plan.
Oh, but what are the requirements for the audition?
Nothing. You have to be 5'4" and Indian. That's it. Indian
And then you just come and say hi.
No, you have to introduce yourself in a very brief manner.
So are you taking this online or are you taking this
No,
in
no.
person?
We'll be auditioning सामने सामने से ऐसे इस तरह से.
So is it like that you prefer girls? So like in Taiwan, they want you to come in jeans, t-shirt, flat shoes, no makeup and ponytail. See, that's the thing. What is the requirement in India? How do you come here?
They come in a black dress, black one piece for the round one, and for the round two, they come in a shorts and a t-shirt.
Okay, my one tip is don't try to be in too high shoes. If you can't handle them, don't come in too high shoes. It will take away all your self-confidence.
Right.
Seriously. Take shoes that you're comfortable in and practice the walk. Try to get as relaxed and loose as before. Maybe do some pranayam before you enter. Because I know how it is. Your heart is racing and you're nervous. And on top of it, you maybe in a dress, you're not 100% sure how to move because they're young, they're new. That's what we're looking for.
True.
And then and just try to be yourself and just try to relax and enjoy that moment because that moment is special. The first audition you will never get back.
True.
So just try to enjoy that as well, the butterflies and the excitement, because maybe in 20 years you look back and say, oh, my first audition. Yeah? These things are good moments in life.
Somebody is asking, आप राजमाता बनते थे ना अशोका serial में?
हाँ, बिल्कुल.
You have done an amazing job as an artist, and we are really so proud of you, ma'am. Also, so overwhelmed to see you on Indian television. Somebody is saying, Pooja Chauhan is saying this.
That's sweet. Thank you.
So then you remarried Akhil sir in 2011 again with Indian costume and rituals. How was the experience?
It didn't happen. That's a false article. That didn't happen. I mean, the planning was happening and the news came out and somebody wrote an article about it. And what happened is that my father fell very, very sick here in India. And we had to book flights to bring him back to Germany. And then he was hospitalized with pneumonia. So it didn't happen.
Right.
We wanted to do it for them because they couldn't be there for the court marriage that we did because we wanted to be 100% sure that my papers are in order. So we thought a court marriage might be a better idea. And then they couldn't be there for that. So we said, okay, chalo, we make a little havan and they can experience this whole thing. Kyunki humne to kai baar kiya camera ke samne. So for us, it would feel a little bit like acting.
So then,
I would have loved to have it, but what to do?
Great. So then, Elite Miss Rajasthan में इस बार आप judging panel में हैं. What qualities do you look in a girl when you'll be judging Elite Miss Rajasthan this year?
I'm judging. ये कब हुआ? ये किसने कहा?
ये हमने online
अभी decide किया. Oh my God, मुबारक हो मेरे लिए.
हाँ जी.
Okay, I think what I was just saying, self-confidence, feeling comfortable in who you are, because you exist only one time. So don't try to copy somebody. Don't come and try. See, the plague, what we're having right now, and the plague I'm also doing is TikTok. But TikTok is not acting, and TikTok is not modeling. TikTok is a fun thing. But it is not helping you in being confident in front of the camera, because what happens is you get to rely on the image that you see of yourself. But without the camera and seeing yourself, you can't recreate it. So you have to learn how to bring it from inside. So my criteria would be looking at self-confidence, looking at body posture, how they're standing. That you can learn online. There are a lot of good tips on walk. If there's some charm, and the charm comes out of the personality, maybe some cuteness happening, and if the person can talk, also I will look for that as well. I don't think I would look so much for height, or I think I would overlook a flaw if the personality shines. That's
right.
me.
Akansha Balla is saying, hello ma'am, you were amazing in Ashoka.
Thank you. But that keeps on happening. Ashoka is not leaving me. Wrap up 4 साल पहले हुए, अभी तक चल रहा है.
Renuka Gangwani, one of our finalists from Elite Miss Rajasthan 2019, is saying, perfect example of beauty with brain. You are, ma'am. Lots of love from Elite family.
Oh, that's so sweet. Thank you. Yeah, I heard you have a lot of very successful finalists who even went on to venture into acting.
Yes.
That's a difference, I must say, because if you do any kind of modeling competition or Miss competition in Europe, it will not automatically give you the entry into the showbiz on the acting side. It's more like a deterrent. And here it is like, yeah. And in Brazil, it's like, yeah. Here, they love to take a beauty queen into a movie. And in other countries, it's more like, no, इतनी खूबसूरत है, वो acting नहीं आती है.
Acting नहीं आती. हमारी एक एक्ट्रेस हैं जो मॉडल भी हैं, आकांक्षा पल्ला, वो आपसे पूछना चाह रही हैं कि कोई टिप्स दीजिए एक्टिंग के लिए प्लीज.
Oh God, I get so many questions for that. I think I should have like online courses or something like that. Would there be an interest for that?
True. अभी क्या टिप देना चाहेंगे सुजैन आप?
Because acting you cannot teach like that in a live chat in 2 minutes. That is something that is a process and it goes through different steps, and that is not something you can just do in a chat like this. Very fast, be aware of your emotions, be aware of what you do. Do a little exercise every day where you are consciously brushing your teeth and see how it feels brushing your teeth, yeah, or how it is to brush your hair, and just be aware of what you're doing and how it feels. That is one very basic exercise that I can recommend. Otherwise, the breathing exercises and Om and Ha, what we have in yoga, we had as acting exercises in Germany. Right. So having a good breath is also very important.
So then one of the major concern for the parents of the girls is the security. And yeah. What do you feel? How safe is this modeling and acting world for the girls?
I think especially after this whole Me Too, it got much safer, because that must be a deterrent on some level, yeah. Because in 15 years or even before in Taiwan or anywhere, I haven't experienced it. Nobody has come to me. I never felt unsafe, and I keep on saying maybe I was just lucky. I don't know. But I think with you guys, the girls are definitely safe, because when I was with you guys, I've seen men behave very nicely to the girls. You know, they were always gentlemen, like the male models were getting up to let the females sit down. Yeah, so I think there is definitely a danger in everything that you do, but that's life itself as well. You know, taking chances and taking risks in life, but have some common sense.
Right. So then, can we have Akhil
if the situation doesn't feel right, go. If a situation doesn't feel right, get out.
Right.
Or call someone. Yeah.
Can we have Akhil sir for a moment on camera, just to say hi to everybody?
I don't even know where he is.
He's not in the house.
I'm checking.
अखिल सर हमारे साथ आएंगे अभी. अखिल सर ने 3 इडियट्स में कॉमेडियन दुबे जी का रोल किया था, और बहुत सारे फिल्म्स भी उन्होंने करे हैं, बहुत सारे सीरियल्स में आपने उनको देखा होगा. आई एम श्योर अगर आप उनको देखेंगे तो पहचान जाएंगे. प्रकाश सर हेलो बोल रहे हैं. हेलो प्रकाश जी. इज ही हियर? सुजैन? हाय अखिल सर.
Hi. Good.
हाउ आर यू सर?
Good. Cooking.
कुकिंग हो. कैसे सर आप ये कोविड-19 के लॉकडाउन में टाइम कर रहे हैं सर व्यतीत अपना?
Yeah. I'll go.
Yeah, he's cooking. So
okay. No problem. No, thank you.
And I go back on headset. One second. Yeah, we made some lockdown diaries. We have a YouTube channel. Okay. And now instead of travel videos in Shahpura Hotel and the fashion show, I don't know if you saw the video.
Yeah, I saw the video.
Yeah, so now we switched to what to do at home.
Right.
So the lockdown terrorist diary video is up since yesterday and is doing really well.
Great. So then, what do you have to say about COVID-19 pandemic, which has happened all across the world, and what measures should one take to avoid this?
I think everybody knows by now what to do, no? Or what not to do. I don't think anybody needs another hand wash video, because everybody who's online has
and a mask
seen it.
Too.
Yeah, I've done the mask, and I've done the for a different entertainment channel. I've done a video, and that video was before everybody was doing a video. They started doing that, so my video is way back on my Instagram. And yeah, just I chose this time to do a lot of meditation and a lot of yoga and just to keep healthy and keep normal, and lots of cooking happening in the house and walking on the terrace of our neighbor, because they're as long as at home as we are. For me, it's actually, I have come up into this flat on 13th of March, and since then I haven't been down, not even down on the road.
Only Akhil sir cook, or you also cook?
Yeah, I also cook, but at the moment suddenly he's getting this chul. So
Chul.
kal se bhi kiya, kal he was doing an omelette. The omelette video is going to come. And before I was cooking a lot, and then I don't know, it just naturally goes between us back and forth without any big discussion who's going to cook. It just works out well.
Great. Thank you so much, Suzanne, for
Pleasure.
with us live on Elite Miss Rajasthan platform. Looking forward to see you for the Elite Miss Rajasthan auditions and the judgment part.
Let's see when that happens.
Sure. Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah?
Okay.
Okay, and everybody, the typical line: stay safe, stay at home. Take care.
Thank you.
Okay, thanks. Bye.
Bye. आज के लिए इतना ही। शायद मेरी आवाज बहुत इको हो रही थी, जैसा कि मुझे मैसेजेस में आया है। वंशिका बोल रही है, हाय मैम, यू हैव अ रियली अट्रैक्टिव एक्सेंट। या शी हैज, वो जर्मन बॉर्न है तो एक्सेंट उनका एक नेचुरल चीज है। आज के लिए इतना ही। कल हमारे साथ एक बहुत स्पेशल गेस्ट होंगी, उनका नाम है मोना गौतम। 2017 की हमारी राइजिंग स्टार का अवार्ड उनको दिया गया था। और अभी जयपुर में अगर मैं बोलूं तो सबसे ज्यादा काम शायद चारवी के बाद ऑब्वियसली मोना गौतम कर रही हैं। जितना मैं उनको जानता हूं, शायद ही ऐसा कोई दिन होता है जिस दिन मोना गौतम शूट पे नहीं होती हैं, और मैक्सिमम ब्रांड्स के लिए वो काम करती हैं। 2017 में उन्होंने अपना करियर एलीट मिस राजस्थान से शुरू किया था, और कल हमारे साथ शाम को 5 बजे लाइव चैट पे मोना गौतम होंगी। आज शायद कुछ एरर था, तो मुझे आवाज, जैसे कि सब लोगों ने मुझे बताया कि मेरा इको हो रहा था। कल हम कोशिश करेंगे कि ये एरर भी हम दूर कर पाए। एलीट मिस राजस्थान के इस प्लेटफॉर्म को आप देखते रहिए। हर शाम 5 बजे हम एक नए गेस्ट के साथ आपके साथ आते हैं। दीक्षा, आप कुछ पूछ रही हैं। अगर कोई सवाल मेरा यहां रह जाए जिसका मैं जवाब ना दे पाऊं तो यू कैन ऑलवेज कॉल मी। आप पूछ रही हैं एलीट मिस राजस्थान 2000 कब होगा। डेट्स हम ऑडिशंस की अनाउंस अभी इसलिए नहीं कर रहे हैं कि यू नेवर नो कि ये लॉकडाउन कितना बढ़ जाए, या फिर लॉकडाउन खुलने के बाद भी क्या गवर्नमेंट हमें परमिशन देती है ऑडिशंस लेने के लिए। क्या हमें ये परमिशन मिलती है कि हम बहुत सारे लोगों को इकट्ठा कर पाए। तो ये हम इसलिए हम डेट्स अभी अनाउंस नहीं कर पा रहे हैं। Akansha is saying she is suffering the most in this lockdown. Obviously, she's talking about Mona Gautam. I can understand, she works daily and she must be suffering a lot from this lockdown. Komal Soni, what are the requirements for Elite Miss Rajasthan? Nothing much. You should be more than 17 and less than 27 years of age. Your height should be 5'4" or above, and you should be a Indian passport holder. पासपोर्ट होना जरूरी नहीं है, भारतीय होने चाहिए आप। बेसिकली आपकी नेशनलिटी जो है वो इंडियन होनी चाहिए। बस यही बेसिक रिक्वायरमेंट्स हैं। एलीट मिस राजस्थान की कोई फीस नहीं होती है। इट इज फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट। ऑडिशन से लेके, रजिस्ट्रेशन से लेके ऑडिशंस, और ऑडिशन से लेके फिनाले तक, और उसके बाद भी हम कोई कमीशन चार्ज नहीं करते हैं किसी भी तरह का। हमारे जो फाइनलिस्ट होते हैं उनसे, 19 के जो हमारे फाइनलिस्ट हैं उनसे भी हम बहुत जल्द अब मुलाकात, जो हमारा जो नेक्स्ट वीक आने वाला है उसमें हमारे जो 19 के फाइनलिस्ट हैं उनसे हम आपको जल्दी जल्दी मिलवाएंगे, बहुत सारे लोगों से मिलाएंगे। दीक्षा कह रही है, ओके सर, आई वांट टू पार्टिसिपेट इन दिस। दीक्षा, यू कैन पार्टिसिपेट इन दिस, यू आर मोस्ट वेलकम। और 5 मई को वी आर स्टार्टिंग द रजिस्ट्रेशन। आज के लिए इतना ही। कोविड-19 पेंडेमिक का से बहुत बहुत डर के रहें। अपना जितना समय हो सके घर पे रहें। अगर बाहर जाना पड़े तो प्लीज सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग का अवश्य ख्याल रखें। आज के लिए इतना ही। देखने के लिए थैंक यू। आपसे विदा चाहूंगा और कल हम आपसे फिर से मिलेंगे शाम को 5 बजे। अगर कोई सवाल रहता है तो मेरे नंबर्स आप नोट कर लीजिए, 9680045992 एंड 9829020021। आप किसी भी नंबर पे आके कोई भी सवाल पूछ सकते हैं, एलिट मिस राजस्थान से हो या किसी भी तरह से रिलेटेड हो, मैं उसका जवाब दूंगा। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग अस। थैंक यू।